So I got this thing. I took the filter off, and I have everything on auto. So all I gotta do is point and shoot.
I've been sucking.
Yeah.
T-Bo's like, let me show you.
Oh, dude. Guess what today is? Tricky Trick Thursday. Everyone's trying new tricks. Hopefully we can land them. If not, no big deal. But we got Willie Boy. He's gonna be shooting with the camera. We got Chad coming on the boat. He's gonna be flying the drone. And then I'm also bringing my GoPro with that 10-foot attachment. So hopefully I'll be able to get some killer footage, whole different angles for the edit. Hopefully it comes out, hopefully it's a masterpiece. I'm vibing this one, I'm feeling this one. This one's gonna come to get shooting some film.
You're in the way of the view.
Carly's just gonna be awesome. Oh dude, so stoked. Let's get out there, let's shred, let's get it. There's Squirrely D.
Don't bring the golf cart though because the live chat is on.
Coffee.
Bruh, it's send it day.
It's hot as hell.
Work on new tricks day.
Yeah.
Go get wrecked.
I'm gonna do a fucking 369 on it.
Give it all you got.
I was deemed with having to untangle this rope that Fisher had twisted up. Suit up, because I know Will won't get me suiting up.
Yeah, that's probably true.
He'll get me when I'm out there. So I'll see you out there. Hopefully I can land the front roll and I don't bow. We'll see.
The one that pulled out?
No, luckily it's the other one.
Gotta get the stretches in, though.
Always. That 180 grab was one of the cleanest ones I've seen.
Really? Try a couple more smooth hits to see if I can
Don't get too comfortable and then fake. They'll fake your ass
No,
out.
I want to try to. I don't want to fake it. It just goes in. I mean, I didn't get hurt, so that's new.
Yeah, that's good.
That's new.
All right, Jake, you're up, dude.
My side doesn't hurt. It means I can ride tonight. I rode last night.
I was trying to come back with something to say and I just couldn't.
What's your first wake jump gonna be?
Oh, it's gonna be a couple grabs. No, because if I've got to do a new trick, I gotta at least successfully do a good toe side jump. There's not a single boat on the water right now.
You said it's 65.
Yeah, I got everything. No, when we're not here, so I can reveal it to you.
Let me plow water up for you, sir. Give you a challenge.
What was that? You baby hit it. You baby hit it. Not speed too enough. What was that, like 4 knots?
Dude, that was sick, dude. You sent that hard.
I'm gonna show this trick who's boss. Hey Jake, what did that trick do to you? You just murdered that trick. Like you're like, I'm just gonna kill it. That tantrum was huge. And then you hit that just as hard.
Yeah, I did 2 front flips. One with broke, one without broke.
That was cool.
Did that one hurt at all?
It didn't feel great, but it didn't hurt. I agree with that. I watched you get injured on it, and I went as hard as I could on it.
I sort of want to try it one more time.
I didn't land it, but I was close. That one was real close.
You want to wait for
Can I try it one more time?
Yeah, let me. I started feeling these bags.
You wanna wait for it?
I think I might be able to land it. I don't know.
I think you can too. I could definitely land it behind your boat.
Big set of chips.
Oops.
But you open up as much as you can, and the board's still like.
Said Taco Bell.
Yeah.
I mean,
Somehow.
one night if we cook, that's fine. I don't want to be worried about grocery store chips.
Taco
None of
Bell.
that shit.
For life.
Jack, you can pull me back out in the hang. I don't
Yeah, that's
Oh,
where
let
we
me
go.
get a chalupa, dude.
I feel like
Oh,
a major
dude.
dick.
All right, well, I guess that's wrap the video up. Chad, thanks for flying the drone. Hopefully
We had
crushed
time.
the video of that.
Josh right there. Just walk
Fisher,
us through.
Jake, Will, also camera guy.
You vote for winning Tricky Trick Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
I landed the new trick
It's been a
somehow.
great board meeting.
Yep.
We're showing great projections for next week.
Thursday board meeting out. Are you about to send it?
I'm gonna send it.
One, two, three, go.
Yeah, ready?
Woo!